Hello, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
I said good evening.
Yes, good evening from my side as well. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. What's up with you?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. I'm feeling comfortable.
Okay, dear. Okay, it's great. You are feeling comfortable. Okay, and this is Suraj from New Delhi,
Where are you from? From Delhi.
from Delhi, capital of India.
Oh, that's great. And you are talking to Deepak Kumar Gupta. You can call me Deepak. I'm from Bihar, from West Champaran district.
Um, from which district?
West Champaran district.
Champaran district.
Exactly. What's your
How long?
profession, by the way?
By the way, my profession, I'm pursuing graduation, become second year.
Okay, that's great. Sounding
Apart
good.
from it, yeah,
Yes,
apart
apart
from
from
it,
that.
I'm working in a CA office, chartered accountant office.
You are working there.
Yeah, I am working there.
What kind of work are you doing there?
Like accounting work.
How much money are you paying there? How much money they are paying? Are they paying?
Sorry, I couldn't understand.
How much money they are paying you?
Only 8,000.
8,000. How much time you will have to devote there?
Approximately 9 hours.
Okay, great.
Not great.
That's
Because
good. Apart from
how
that,
can
apart from study, you are doing your work. That's great. And you are having
how
some.
how,
Yes.
how can you say that it's good?
Okay,
8,000
it's
just
sounding good. It's sounding good that you are asking a question, and I'm, I'm, I'm feeling happy to answer your question. May I answer your question? You mean that if I'm getting 8,000 for 9 hours, then how it can become good, right?
yeah.
Let me tell you. The first thing is that you are studying. And on the basis of your study, I told you that apart from your study, you are able to earn something for your survival, right? And it is the main thing, and it was my intention of saying that even though you are having a study, you are able to earn some money. You are not earning lots and lots of money as professionals are, but still you are able to earn as much as you can survive yourself, right? And might not be needed for having any money from your parents, right? And on this basis, I told you
Everything
that
is
it's good.
yeah. Everything whatever you're telling, yeah, everything is right. I think yeah, for a conversation we have some topics. We must have actually.
What is it?
Could you tell? I said for the conversation we must have some topics.
Okay, so where are you feeling comfortable?
Sorry, I couldn't understand.
So what kind of topic do you wanna what kind of topic do you wanna discuss here at this point of time?
Dear, I would like to ask you actually this question. I am feeling blank. I am a blank. That's why I don't have any kind of topic. Could you suggest some topics?
Actually, I think I have been communicating with lots and lots of people since time, but I have been communicating as casual as we are conversing in our daily lives. So I don't have so much idea that I can provide you the topic on which we can have a better interaction. But you have been communicating with people on some specific topic, then you might be knowing that which type of topics would be communicated where we can have a better interaction, right? You might have some idea about that, and you should suggest where we can have a better interaction to learn something.
Okay, as we know, we are approximately going to get 5G, 5 generation, 5G
Yes.
internet. Okay, so which is the character, which is the this character and character of 5G when it will become?
Okay, actually 5G, when it is coming, I'm not sure about that, but I think in many country, it has been what we say, it has been started, right? And many people are using. Rather than that, in India as well, many part of the Indian, rather than not only India, in India, it has arrived, right?
I couldn't understand here what you are telling.
I'm just saying that in many part of the country, it has been started 5G, fifth generation, right? Mobile
Fifth
phone.
generation.
Exactly. In India as well, I
Okay.
think in India as well it has been approved, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So I don't have so
Yeah.
much idea about that, but still in 5G we might be having more internet connection. We might be doing our work faster than 4G, and this might be the
Okay.
advantage. Do you have any idea? Please let me know because I don't have so much idea about this technology.
Okay, I tell you. I tell you about my scenario of 5G internet. Okay,
Okay.
if it will become, in there is a topic. There is a two things. First one is positive. Second one is a negative.
Negative aspect,
As we,
exactly.
yeah, as we know, 5G when 4G had been come, when 4G had been come, on that time, children before that time, children don't use too much YouTube and too much social media application. Do you know it? Before
Yeah.
that, before
Yeah.
4G.
Yes, I agree with your statement.
Yeah, but on that time they don't have too much social media application idea like Instagram, Facebook, and many other TikTok. So and so. And after the when 4G has been announced, since that day, each and every person they are making their online platform, they are online YouTube channel, Instagram channel, Facebook channel with so many channels they are
Yeah,
opening.
they are participating in lots and lots of social media
Lots and
network,
lots
right?
in social media. Yeah, and
Yes,
it's a
I'm
good
getting your
character.
point.
Yeah, and another thing, our industry is also has been increasing. Industries also has been increasing after 4G. They get data earlier. They can get data quickly. They can download. They can send easily. That means that work ha- is is has the work has been easy. The work has been easy instead of
Exactly.
3G and 2G data. Okay, as
Exactly.
comparison.
It has a better network connection.
Data network connection. That's why I'm telling when 5G will come, then children they will use, and new generation are using. When I think so, when we was I'm telling about both you and me. When we was we were child, when we were child, on that time Nokia 1100. I think you also on that time.
Nokia 11. Okay, I
We
saw,
were
I saw, right.
okay, on that time only we born with Nokia 1100. What's your age?
Yeah, I'm 17.
17.
Yes.
ओ यार मैं भी किससे बोल रहा हूँ सब फिल्मों क्या जा रहा है
What happened?
okay dear, no problem. Okay, and this time okay, I restart what I was telling.
What do
Okay,
you mean? I'm not understanding. Would you like to tell me? What do you mean? I'm not understanding.
okay, but I'm telling dear, now I'm telling it when 5G will come, then
Okay,
new
first of all, let
children.
me have the discussion on that thing. I think you said something earlier, right?
Sorry,
So
I
why you
couldn't
come
understand.
to on the point about my age is?
Sorry dear, what are you telling?
I'm just saying that at that point of time you asked my age, right? And then after you saying that why am I telling this sort of thing with you, right?
Dear, actually, you are very young. You don't know Nokia 1100. That's why.
Nokia 1100, you mean what we say a mobile phone, or sort what we say छोटा वाला mobile phone, right?
Yeah, it's small mobile phone when it is launched.
A
Do you
keypad.
know?
Even though many
What?
people are using that mobile phone nowadays as well, I have seen, not
You
many, but
seen?
still some people.
Sorry?
A few people are using that mobile phone, whatever mobile phone you were talking about. What?
Nokia
How
1100.
old are you?
I'm very older than you. Very.
Very in the sense? How? What's your age?
More than 22.
More than
22. 22.
22. Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's why you don't know Nokia 1100. When I was a child, my Nana ji, they gifted they had gifted to us Nokia 1100. On that time, it was a 4,000, more than 4,000.
Okay.
That price was. And when it launched its greatest mobile in India.
Okay.
Okay, on that time, you don't know when you will ask them about this mobile, then you will know. You can ask about this mobile to your elder brother, elder sister, otherwise your parents.
Okay.
They
I
can judge.
I got it. I got your point of view. Let's move further. You were talking about that, about the disadvantage. Do you have any disadvantage of this fifth generation mobile phone, whatever is going to launch or whatever is going to be flourished in India?
Yeah, definitely. And when 5G will come, it might be possible data prices will increase and decrease. But the
Data
people has
crisis?
been addicted. Sorry?
Data crisis. On what basis are you saying that data crisis will increase or
Crisis,
decrease?
not price. Price, dear. I said
Oh,
price.
price. You got it.
Price,
I thought that you were talking about crisis. Crisis. Oh, sorry for that, and sorry for the misunderstanding. Anyway, I'm able to
yeah.
understand you, but sometimes it becomes very challenging for me to understand you, and I'm feeling very sorry for that.
Why sometimes it's very challenging to understand.
Sometimes your voice is vibrating, and rather than that, sometimes the loudness of your sound is high. Loudness in the sense, what we say, pitch is low.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Amplitude is very high. Amplitude.
Sorry, what is very high?
Amplitude.
I couldn't
Whenever there is
understand.
amplitude, actually in science there is a term called amplitude, right? And the loudness of sound depends upon amplitude. The more amplitude would be there, the more louder sound would be. And the less amplitude would be there, then the less louder sound would be there, right? Like pitch depends
Okay.
upon frequency. Pitch.
Frequency.
Pitch is also a term which is in science and which depends upon the frequency.
Yeah,
Well, what you were saying that you were working in chartered account as a chartered accountant, right? You are taking as taking some experience, or rather than that you are taking some money from there for your survival, right? Rather than that you are pursuing your BCom, right?
Yeah.
You are in
I am
second year.
Yeah, I am in second year, and apart from my second year, I am working in chartered accountant office as well simultaneously.
Simultaneously, right? Oh, great,
Yeah.
great, appreciable.
Which people?
I said appreciable. Are you not able to understand whatever I'm trying to make you understand?
I am understanding, but some words are challenging to understand me.
Actually, I said appreciable. Appreciable.
Appreciable.
Exactly.
Okay, appreciable. Okay, I got it.
Actually, it is the adjective form of appreciate, right?
Yeah, dear, I can
Thank
understand.
you. Thank you. If you are able to understand me, it's such a great honor that you are able to understand whatever I'm trying to make you understand. It's such a great honor for me that I have become so capable so that I'm able to make someone else understood about me or about my point of view.
Yeah, dear, it's very honorable for you. You told, whatever you are telling, I am understanding properly. There is no problem. But some words.
But sometimes some words are there which is not clear to you, right? It is vague.
Not clear to me. Not just for not understanding, not listening.
Okay, you mean you are not blaming me, right? You mean to say that you are not blaming me, right?
Blaming?
Blaming in the sense you are not imposing on me that your voice is not good. You mean to say that it's your fault that you are unable to listen it carefully.
Yeah, that's what that's the thing which I'm telling there. Sometimes your voice, which you pronounce some words on that time. I think pronunciation, I don't know pronunciation is right and wrong. But on that time, that word is not proper to listen for me. That's why I couldn't understand.
Okay, my dear, I think my brother or my friend is calling me and I think I should have my dinner. If you don't mind, could we talk later? And you can approach someone else for your understanding for the your conversation. You can approach someone else for your practice. You can have, right? Anyway, it was a nice talking to you. Would you?
Yeah, definitely. It was nice and good night.
It was nice, or you were saying only for the sake of saying, yeah, it was nice? Really, it was good. I think it was really fantastic and fascinating conversation.
Not too much fantastic as you are telling, not too much great, but it was like slightly okay if I say. Not too much fantastic is a great word. I can't use fantastic for this conversation, but
So
it
what are
was
the
okay.
criteria? Would you like to tell me what are the mistakes I have done I should not do for making this conversation fantastic and fascinating?
Fascinating and fantastic, fabulous like that. I
What
think
should be done
you
to make this
what sir?
conversation? I just say it.
Because we are okay. If I say if whatever we talk to each other, whatever we told and we were telling to each other,
Okay.
there is no way. I think so. Sometimes we need to find that topic and that subject which is necessary for the both people, for the interesting topic for the both. Then we can have great conversation.
Okay.
If I am telling something and you are not getting properly, if you are not understanding, you are not interested to listen that topic, that words, that matter which is related in a specific topic, if you don't want to listen that, then that conversation can't be fantastic.
Okay, got it. Got it. I got your intention. I got your intention. Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. And you
Okay.
must, if imagine, if you don't know, if you don't have any idea of any topic, then I'm telling to about that topic. Then you have to listen carefully. And if you want to pick up some question from that conversation, then you can pick up. But
So what do you think I didn't? I was not considering you. I was not considering your lecture or
I
whatever you were lecturing on that topic.
No, there is no problem here. But sometimes, as today I felt, which topic I pick up. First, I
Technology
have
was
given.
here, fifth generation.
Yes, 5G, internet 5G.
Yeah,
That was the
5G.
topic. But before I had given, I asked it. I had asked it to you. If you want to give some topics, then you can. But you denied. You had denied. That's why I given.
Okay.
But I think you. Yeah, go ahead.
So actually, what do you felt or what did you felt while having a conversation with me that I should not do? And let me know that I will
I
remove this
felt
sort
there.
of problem.
I felt there. You were not interested to listen about that topic, and you couldn't understand properly whatever I was saying. I felt it.
Okay, if you feel like this, then I'm feeling very sorry for that. And please forgive me. Please accept my apologize.
Okay, I
And
sorry
please
you. I
forgive me.
apologize you.
Please.
Okay, no
But
problem.
my
Okay.
intention was not like that. And rather than that, I asked you as well that what is the disadvantage, right?
No,
So
there is no need. There, you
anyway,
were telling for the dinner.
if your point of view is like that, if your point of view is negative, then no matter. It's up to person to person. It's the attitude. Attitude means what? Point of view at a point of time, right? What is our point of view at a certain point of time? It's our attitude. So it depends upon the person's attitude that how he is going to take that situation. Anyway, actually, if I will have a conversation later with you, then definitely I will try my best to remove these sorts of things, whatever you felt, right? I will try my best. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye, dear.
Good night. You
Good
can approach
night.
someone else for your conversation, right?
Yeah, dear, but
Thank you.
there is no need to approach someone. It is sleeping time.
Okay, then it's also sound good. I'm also going to have my dinner because my friend has called me, and that's why I need to go. Have a nice time further.
Yeah, dear. Bye.